Hey, how's it going, guys? Wanted to make a quick video here today because I am trying to install a new toolbox that I just bought, and couldn't find any videos online where other people had tried to install this type of toolbox before, so thought I would share with you how it's going. Okay, so this is the Ridgid 60R OS, as you can see there. This one is one of the bigger boxes that Ridgid sells. It's a 60-inch wide, and just fits in the back of the toolbox. I'm sorry, in the back of the pickup truck. I've got about 1.5 inches on each side there of distance. So here was kind of what I was trying to find online. I'm wanting to install this thing to where it's bolted to the bottom, to the bed of the truck, and I couldn't find anything online at all about anybody that had bolted these things to the bottom of the truck. I Googled it and looked on YouTube. There just wasn't any content out there that I was able to come up with. So what my plan is I've set the box back there and positioned it exactly where I want it. I've got it centered up and I've got it pushed to the back of the bed as far as I can get it. And my plan now is to go ahead and mark these first 2 holes, which I have done. So let me grab my light. So if you look right up in there, you'll see there's several holes. Those smaller holes are for wheels, for casters, so you can put wheels on the bottom of these things. The center hole, I presume, is for what I'm trying to do, which is mount a bolt and a nut and a washer through that hole to secure it to the bottom of the truck of the bed, the truck bed. And so I'm trying to mark these holes now. And the problem is there's not very much distance in between where the toolbox is and where that leg is at there. So what I've done to try to fix that is I'm just using some nail polish here that I got from my girlfriend. She'll be happy about that. And I've just gone up in there and kind of marked with the brush tip there where that hole's at. And so hopefully that'll transfer onto the surface of the truck bed there. And once I move the toolbox, then I'll have my place that I need to drill a hole. So I'll keep you guys in the loop here. Okay, so that seemed to work pretty well. Now there's 4 mounting points on this toolbox, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. So my plan is to get the first 2 drilled and mounted, and then I'll measure back to the back of the bed there from those 2 and drill those as well. And then just put bolts and washers through there and tighten it up from the bottom. One thing I am going to do that you will definitely want to do as well, get under the truck and see about what is located in that area. Make sure you're not going to be drilling through anything significant. I'm going to get under my truck now and just kind of see what's under there and make sure that once I drill through, you know, there's just open space on the other side and not anything important that you're going to be hitting. All right, guys, just got finished up here. Just wanted to show you that that worked out perfectly. I was able to get 1/4 inch by 2 inch long bolt in there with a couple of washers, and on both sides. So now the front's secure. I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the back. Mark the hole, drill it, and put the same exact thing on there. So if you're wanting to bolt this thing down to the back of the truck, this is exactly how I did it. It worked out perfectly for me. Underneath here, I've just got the bolt coming out right there. I'll probably end up putting a lock washer on it or some Loctite or something. But it just came out past that frame there, where that support beam And anyways, it's done. So let me know if you have any questions. That pretty much is it. Just a quick, straightforward video here on how I did that. Thanks.